Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 7 tips every web developer should know to take their skills to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, these tips will help you create better and more efficient websites. So let's get started. Tip 1. Clean and organized code. First up, we have the importance of keeping your code clean and organized. This means using consistent indentation, meaningful variable names, and comments to explain complex logic. Clean code is not only easier for you to read and debug, but also for anyone else who might work on the project in the future. By applying consistent formatting and adding comments, it becomes much more readable. This practice saves time and effort in the long run. This also adheres to industry standards and best practices, making it easier to collaborate with other developers. Tools like linters can help automate the process of maintaining code quality by enforcing coding standards and highlighting potential issues before they become problems. Tip 2. Mobile-first design. With more people accessing websites on their mobile devices, it's crucial to ensure your site looks and functions well on smaller screens. Start designing for mobile devices first and then scale up for larger screens. This ensures your website is responsive and provides a great user experience across all devices. One can see how starting with a mobile layout helps in making sure the site looks great on all devices. By using media queries, you can adjust the layout for tablets and desktops without compromising the mobile experience. Mobile-first design prioritizes essential features and content, ensuring that users get the best experience regardless of their device. Additionally, performance considerations are addressed early on, as mobile devices often have less processing power and slower internet connections compared to desktops. Tip 3. Optimize images and media. Large files can significantly slow down your website, leading to a poor user experience. Use tools like ImageOptim or TinyPNG to compress images without losing quality. For videos, consider using modern formats like WebM or H.264, and always set a proper resolution that balances quality and file size. By reducing the file size, the website loads faster, which is crucial for keeping visitors engaged. Optimized media ensures that your pages are quick to load, providing a smoother experience for your users. Additionally, use responsive images and the SRC set attribute to serve appropriately sized images for different screen resolutions and devices. Implement lazy loading for images and videos to further enhance performance by only loading media when it becomes visible in the viewport. Tip 4. Utilize browser DevTools. DevTools can help you debug code, test responsive designs, and analyze performance issues right in the browser. Most modern browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge come with built-in developer tools that are incredibly powerful. You can inspect elements to see how your HTML and CSS are rendered, check network activity to see what resources are being loaded, and even simulate different device screens. DevTools are indispensable for diagnosing and fixing issues quickly. Use features like the performance panel to identify bottlenecks, the console for logging errors, and the network panel to monitor resource loading times. Mastering DevTools will greatly enhance your ability to troubleshoot and optimize your web applications. Tip 5. Write semantic HTML. Using tags like header, nav, article, and footer helps search engines understand your content better and improves accessibility for screen readers. Semantic HTML provides meaning to your web content, making it easier to read and more understandable. This not only makes your code more readable but also enhances search engine optimization. Search engines can better index your content, which can improve your site's visibility and ranking. Moreover, semantic HTML improves accessibility, as screen readers and other assistive technologies rely on these elements to navigate and interpret content accurately. This approach ensures your website is inclusive and user-friendly for all audiences. Tip 6. Version control with Git. Git allows you to track changes, collaborate with others, and revert to previous states if something goes wrong. Version control is essential for maintaining the integrity of your codebase, especially when working in teams. Using Git, you can create branches for new features, merge them into the main codebase, and resolve conflicts effectively. It's a crucial tool for any developer, ensuring that you can manage and roll back changes easily. Regular commits with clear messages help document the development process, making it easier to understand the evolution of the project. Platforms like GitHub and GitLab also provide additional collaboration tools, such as issue tracking, code reviews, and continuous integration. Tip 7. Continuous learning. Our final tip is to never stop learning and experimenting. The web development field is constantly evolving, so stay updated with the latest trends, frameworks, and best practices. Follow blogs, take online courses, and engage with the developer community to keep your skills sharp. Don't be afraid to try new things and learn from your experiences. Experiment with new libraries, frameworks, and tools to find the best solutions for your projects. Continuous learning is key to staying relevant and improving as a developer. Attend webinars, join coding communities, and contribute to open-source projects to expand your knowledge and network with other professionals. This proactive approach to learning ensures that you stay ahead in the fast-paced world of web development. So there you have it, our top 7 tips for web development. Keep your code clean, design for mobile first, optimize your media, utilize DevTools, write semantic HTML, use version control, and always keep learning. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more such content. See you next time.